The 2026 Ford Tourneo is finally here, and it is bringing a completely fresh vision to the world of luxury family transportation. This is not just another van or MPV. Ford has taken practicality, futuristic styling, advanced technology, and premium comfort, and combined them into one impressive package that feels ready for the future. The new Tourneo is designed for families, business executives, road trip lovers, and anyone who wants space without sacrificing style. From the very first look, the 2026 Tourneo stands out with a bold and commanding presence that feels far more upscale than previous generations. At the front, the new design language immediately catches your attention. The massive grille gives the vehicle a confident personality, while the ultra-slim LED headlights create a futuristic and high-tech appearance. The front bumper has aggressive lines and aerodynamic detailing that help improve airflow while also giving the Tourneo a sporty edge. Ford has clearly focused on making this MPV feel modern and premium instead of just functional. Even the daytime running lights have a signature look that makes the vehicle instantly recognizable on the road. Moving to the side profile, the Tourneo looks longer, wider, and more refined than ever before. The smooth body lines flow naturally from front to rear, creating a sleek silhouette despite the vehicle's large dimensions. Large alloy wheels, chrome detailing, and blacked-out pillars help give it a luxury SUV-like appearance. Sliding rear doors make entering and exiting extremely easy, especially in tight parking spaces or busy urban environments. Families with children will definitely appreciate how practical this setup is during daily use. At the rear, Ford continues the futuristic design theme with connected LED taillights stretching across the back. The rear spoiler, sculpted tailgate, and modern bumper design help the Tourneo look premium from every angle. This is a vehicle that no longer tries to hide its size. Instead, it embraces it with confidence and style. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The cabin of the 2026 Ford Tourneo feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional people mover. Ford has completely transformed the interior experience by focusing on comfort, technology, and flexibility. High-quality soft-touch materials are used throughout the cabin, while ambient lighting adds a relaxing atmosphere during nighttime driving. Depending on the trim level, buyers may also get leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and premium wood or metallic accents. The dashboard design is clean and futuristic. A massive infotainment display dominates the center console, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. The graphics look modern and responsive, and the system supports wireless smartphone connectivity, voice controls, navigation, and entertainment features. Ford's latest software interface is designed to be simple enough for everyday users while still offering advanced customization for tech enthusiasts. One of the biggest highlights of the Tourneo is its seating flexibility. The seats can slide, recline, fold, or even rotate depending on the configuration. This creates a lounge-like setup perfect for long road trips or executive transport. Second-row passengers enjoy incredible legroom and headroom, while even the third row feels surprisingly spacious. Unlike many vehicles in this segment, the Tourneo truly prioritizes comfort for every passenger, not just the driver. Storage space is another area where the Tourneo shines. There are multiple storage compartments, USB charging ports, cup holders, and practical solutions spread throughout the cabin. Whether you are carrying luggage for a family vacation or equipment for work, the Tourneo adapts easily to your needs. With the rear seats folded down, cargo space becomes enormous, making it ideal for both lifestyle and business use. Now let's talk about performance. Ford is expected to offer multiple powertrain options for the 2026 Tourneo, including efficient diesel engines, hybrid technology, and potentially a fully electric variant in some markets. This flexibility allows buyers to choose the version that best matches their driving style and environmental preferences. The hybrid setup is especially important because it combines fuel efficiency with smooth urban driving performance. On the road, the Tourneo feels much more refined than older MPVs. Improved suspension tuning helps absorb bumps comfortably, while better sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet even at highway speeds. Steering feels lighter and more responsive, making the vehicle surprisingly easy to drive despite its larger size. Parking assistance systems, cameras, and sensors also make maneuvering much less stressful in crowded cities. Safety is another major strength of the 2026 Ford Tourneo. Ford has equipped the vehicle with advanced driver assistance technologies designed to protect both passengers and pedestrians. Features may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies not only improve safety but also reduce driver fatigue during long journeys. What makes the Tourneo especially interesting is how it balances luxury with practicality. Many premium SUVs offer comfort and technology, but they often lack true passenger space and flexibility. Meanwhile, traditional vans focus mostly on practicality without delivering a premium experience. The Tourneo sits perfectly between those two worlds, giving buyers the best of both. Ford also appears to have focused heavily on connectivity and smart features. Over-the-air software updates, connected mobile apps, remote vehicle controls, and digital services are expected to play a major role in the ownership experience. Drivers may be able to remotely monitor charging status, climate controls, or vehicle location directly from their smartphones. Another impressive aspect is the driving visibility. Thanks to the elevated seating position and large windows, the Tourneo offers an excellent view of the road. This gives drivers extra confidence in busy traffic and during long-distance journeys. Passengers also benefit from a more open and airy atmosphere inside the cabin. Overall, the 2026 Ford Tourneo is shaping up to be far more than just a practical family van. It represents Ford's vision for the future of premium people transportation. Stylish, spacious, technologically advanced, and incredibly versatile, the Tourneo is designed to meet the demands of modern families and professionals alike. Whether you care most about comfort, design, efficiency, or flexibility, this vehicle seems ready to deliver an experience that feels truly next generation.